Hello dear students, welcome to Pure Mathematics channel. In this class we want to solve a question. It is question 127, I think. 127, yes. Question 127. Oh, 7. We have 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power y is equal to 2016. Then find x is equal to question mark, y is equal to question mark. Dear students, if we write 2 to the power x greater than 2 to the power y, it should be like that. Why? Because if this term be less than 2 to the power y, then what will happen? It is less than this. Then the result will be negative. But here in right side we have positive. So here we have to have 2 to the power x greater than 2 to the power y. When 2 to the power x greater than 2 to the power y, this implies x greater than y. Base are equal, then we cancel x greater than y. Now, when x greater than y, this implies x is equal to y plus k. X is equal to y plus k. Here we substitute the value of x. Here we get 2 to the power y plus k minus 2 to the power y is equal to 2016. Correct. 2 to the power y into 2 to the power k minus 2 to the power y is equal to 2016. Why we can write like this? We have a rule in a to the power m plus n. In power we have this rule, a to the power m into a to the power n. Those who do not know, it is the rule, the rule of power. We take a factor to the power y into 2 to the power k minus 1. It is equal to, we factorize 2016, 2 to the power 5 into 63. Now it is even integer. We know that it is even integer and it is odd integer. Also this is even and this is odd integer. Therefore we compare both sides. We have even integer here. Here also we have even integer. 2 to the power y is equal to 2 to the power 5. This implies 2 by 2 cancelled, y is equal to 5. We find the value of y. Now 2 to the power k minus 1 is equal to 63. 2 to the power k minus 1 is equal to 63. This implies 2 to the power k is equal to 64. This implies 2 to the power k is equal to 2 to the power 6. These two cancelled. This implies k is equal to 6. Now y is equal to 5. K is equal to 6. Then finding x is very easy. X is equal to y plus k. Y plus k, it is equal to y. The value of y is equal to 5 plus the value of k is equal to 6. It is equal to 11. Therefore x is equal to 11. It is the value of x. Y is equal to 5, x is equal to 11. If we check the answer, obviously we have to put x is equal to 11 here and y is equal to 5 here. Then we get 2 to the power 11 minus 2 to the power 5 is equal to 2016.